Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix full screen apps and games keeps minimizing itself in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type registry editor, click on open it and select yes. Now check my video description for this registry path. Just copy and paste it in the address bar and press enter. On left side you just need to select the desktop. On right side you just need to find foreground lock timeout. Just double click on it. Make sure the value data is 30D40. If you have another value data, then check my video description for this value data. Just copy and paste it in value data and click on OK. And now just to close tab here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type settings, click on open it. On left side select gaming, on right side select game mode. You just need to turn it off guys, turn off the game mode. After that just close stuff here. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type services, click on open it. In services you just need to find Windows error reporting service. Just double click on it. Set this to disabled startup type and stop the service and select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 4, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd, right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now check my video description for these two commands. Just to copy and paste it one by one. You just need to wait for this command to get 100% complete. After getting this command 100% complete, you just need to copy the second command and paste it. After finishing both commands, you just need to close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 5, you just need to go to search menu and type Windows security, click on open it. Select virus and threat protection. Select scan options. Select full scan and scroll down and select scan now option and scan it. After getting scan done, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these method fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.